The Nyotreb Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. As part of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Statehood of Meghalaya, the Block Mission Management Unit of the Community and Rural Development Block UMSNING had organized a self-help group or SHG mega event cum health camp at the Union Christian College premises on the 20th of November 2021, where the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included RAJYA MP from Meghalaya, Dr. LHARLUKHI, Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, Rosette M. KURBAH, MLA of MAWHATI, DASAKHIAT LAMARE, MLA of UMSNING, Jason S. MAWLONG, MDC from UMSNING, Magdalene S. MAWLONG, members of self-help groups and district village organizations, besides others. Speaking during the event, CONRAD SANGMA stated that self-help groups are not only institutions of livelihood, but also one of the key successes of the MDA government.
Self-help groups are not just livelihood programs for the women group that are being formed, but they are institutional systems and networks. Today, we have lakhs of members from different households who are part of the NRLM movement and who are part of the self-help movement. And tomorrow, the same institutional setup can then be used for multiple government programs. And that is the reason why we have focused on the self-help movement. I would like to tell you that the self-help movement has really been one of the key successes of this government. I repeat, this has been one of the key success programs and successes of this particular government.
Also addressing the gathering was Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya, Dr. LHARLUKHI, who said that the government of the day aims at eradicating poverty through ways and means to uplift the poor and weaker sections of society.
Menrat Thong jaga tim dengan negeri Islam. Dadak ini imat pedek. Community orga kele AA kemudian kam namata kali bagi jadi lebih. Kembali.